Ever thought of leaving it all behind and starting fresh in a new country, but with a twist? How about getting paid to do it? From charming villages to stunning islands, these countries are literally ready to hand you cash to call them home. Ready to find your new home and get paid for it? Let's explore the top 10 countries willing to fund your next adventure. Welcome to Watch the Globe, your go-to guide for uncovering the world's best-kept secrets. We begin our journey in Italy, where history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes blend into one extraordinary lifestyle. However, many of the country's charming small towns and villages, especially in southern regions like Sicily and Calabria, are slowly losing their populations. To reverse this trend, local governments are offering up to $30,000 to encourage people to move there and revitalize these forgotten towns. Towns like Sambuca, Troina, and Gangi are known for their $1 homes, but now they're going a step further by offering money to families and individuals willing to commit to restoring and living in these communities. These towns often boast stunning architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, and picturesque scenery, making them an idyllic place to call home. But it's not just the financial incentives that make this appealing. Imagine having an authentic Italian experience, where you can immerse yourself in local traditions, cuisine, and lifestyle. But life in these villages comes with responsibilities. Many of the homes available require significant renovation, and you'll need to commit to staying for several years. Still, for the chance to live out your Italian dream in an authentic rural village, it might just be worth it. If the idea of life in an Italian village excites you, just wait until you hear what Spain is offering. Let's head west to another Mediterranean gem. In Spain, the story is quite similar. Several rural areas are experiencing dwindling populations, and towns are eager to reverse this trend. The village of Ponga, located in the Asturias region, is offering newcomers $3,000 to move there. But that's not all. If you have children, you'll receive another $3,000 per child. This area is known for its beautiful landscapes, where lush green mountains meet winding rivers, and the Atlantic coast is just a short drive away. Imagine spending your days exploring Spain's stunning countryside, surrounded by vibrant natural beauty, and your nights immersed in the local culture. Ponga itself is a village with deep-rooted traditions, and by moving there, you would be part of a community eager to share its heritage. The appeal of living in the Spanish countryside is not just about the financial rewards. It's about experiencing a slower pace of life, far from the hustle and bustle of the major cities. With Spain's Mediterranean climate, incredible food, and welcoming culture, it's no wonder that more and more people are considering this option. Spain might offer warmth and history, but if you're looking for something even more remote and rugged, you'll want to head north to Norway. Let's explore what this Nordic beauty has to offer. Norway is often associated with stunning fjords, icy glaciers, and the northern lights. But it's not all about the cities like Oslo and Bergen. There's a tiny island called Rust in the Lofoten archipelago that's eager to welcome new residents. Here, the local government offers financial incentives to people willing to settle on this remote yet incredibly beautiful island. Rust is a paradise for nature lovers. With its dramatic landscapes, bird colonies, and fishing opportunities, living here means you're constantly surrounded by unspoiled wilderness. The government provides affordable housing, and there's a push to attract people who can contribute to local industries like fishing and tourism. The island's population has been slowly declining, so they are willing to help newcomers integrate with job support and housing aid. Norway, known for its exceptional quality of life, can seem expensive, but living in Rust comes with a slower pace, affordability, and a deep connection to nature. Imagine ending your day watching the northern lights dance across the sky in one of the most stunning corners of the world. Would you like to visit or even move here? Let us know in the comments. While Norway offers wild beauty and tranquility, our next destination is all about ancient culture and the lure of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Let's travel to Greece. Antikythera is a tiny island between Crete and the Peloponnese that's offering a rare opportunity for those looking for a peaceful, remote life. With fewer than 50 permanent residents, the local Greek Orthodox Church is offering $500 per month for 3 years, along with housing and land, to attract new families to the island. Antikythera is a place of serene beauty. Its secluded beaches, crystal-clear waters, and charming villages make it the perfect escape for those seeking solitude or a slower pace of life. The island's natural beauty and warm climate make it a dream destination for anyone looking to leave behind the chaos of modern urban living. The locals are eager to revitalize the population, especially with young families who can breathe new life into the island's community. Living here means embracing a slower, more relaxed lifestyle, while enjoying a monthly stipend to help ease the transition. From the crystal waters of the Aegean Sea, we're moving to the majestic heights of the Swiss Alps, where one village offers one of the most generous relocation incentives in the world. Before we continue, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We're aiming for 5,000 likes to keep bringing you the latest travel tips and secrets from around the world. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our community of global explorers. Let's continue. Albinin, a small village nestled in the Swiss Alps, is offering an incredible financial incentive for families who are willing to relocate. With a stunning backdrop of mountains, green valleys, and ski slopes, this village will pay $25,000 per adult and $10,000 per child for people who settle here. Albinin is a peaceful retreat from the hectic pace of life, where you can enjoy the natural beauty of the Alps year-round. The catch? You'll need to invest in a home worth at least $200,000, and you'll have to commit to living in Albinin for at least 10 years. However, with Switzerland's top-notch healthcare, education, and one of the highest standards of living in the world, it's hard to say no to an offer like this. The village is perfect for families or individuals seeking tranquility and access to world-class outdoor activities. Imagine living just a stone's throw from some of the best ski resorts in the world, while earning thousands just for making the move. Next, we head across the Atlantic to the wide-open prairies of Canada. In Saskatchewan, they're not just offering stunning views, they're ready to pay young professionals to move there. Saskatchewan, a province known for its vast landscapes, prairies, and friendly communities, is offering a unique opportunity for recent graduates. Through the Graduate Retention Program, graduates can receive up to $20,000 in tuition rebates if they choose to live and work in Saskatchewan. This offer is particularly enticing for young professionals who are looking for job opportunities in industries such as agriculture, healthcare, and technology. Saskatchewan offers a more affordable cost of living compared to other Canadian provinces, and its growing urban centers, Saskatoon and Regina, are becoming increasingly vibrant places to live. If you've been dreaming of a fresh start in a place where the air is crisp, the people are welcoming, and the job market is full of potential, Saskatchewan might just be your perfect match. What do you think about Saskatchewan? Would you like to move there? Let us know in the comment. From Canada's prairies, let's jump south to Latin America, where Chile is attracting global entrepreneurs with a generous startup program. Chile has become a hotspot for entrepreneurs and startups thanks to the government's Startup Chile program. This initiative offers up to $40,000 in equity-free funding to entrepreneurs who bring their startups to Chile. On top of that, participants receive mentorship, access to investors, and networking opportunities. Santiago, Chile's capital, has developed into one of Latin America's most dynamic business hubs. The city offers a unique blend of modern innovation and old-world charm, with stunning landscapes just outside the city. Entrepreneurs who relocate here not only benefit from the financial support, but also from Chile's thriving economy and strategic location as a gateway to South America. Whether you're launching a tech company or a sustainable business, Chile's startup ecosystem is designed to help you succeed. And with the country's breathtaking landscapes, from the Atacama Desert to Patagonia, it's hard to imagine a more inspiring place to build your dream business. Now let's head to Portugal, where the government is offering a sunny new life for remote workers and digital nomads alike. Portugal has long been a favorite destination for expats, retirees, and travelers, but its latest initiative is attracting remote workers in droves. Madeira, an island off the coast of Portugal, has launched a digital nomad village aimed at offering incentives for remote workers, including affordable housing, co-working spaces, and tax breaks. Imagine working from a terrace overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, enjoying the island's perfect climate and breathtaking views, all while benefiting from government support. Madeira's relaxed lifestyle, combined with Portugal's affordable cost of living, makes it an ideal destination for digital nomads looking for a new home base. With a growing expat community and a wide range of activities, from hiking and surfing to cultural festivals, Madeira is quickly becoming one of the most desirable locations for those who want to balance work and life in a tropical paradise. From Madeira's sunny shores, let's hop over to the Caribbean, where Puerto Rico is offering huge financial advantages for U.S. citizens. For U.S. citizens looking for a new home with tax benefits, Puerto Rico offers some of the most lucrative incentives available. Thanks to Act 60, residents of Puerto Rico can enjoy zero federal income taxes on capital gains, dividends, and interest. Puerto Rico offers the best of both worlds, a laid-back Caribbean lifestyle with the convenience of remaining under U.S. jurisdiction. Whether you're an investor, entrepreneur, or retiree, the island's sunny beaches, rich culture, and financial advantages make it an enticing option for relocation. The island is working to attract more residents with these tax incentives, and many people are starting to take advantage of this hidden financial gem. Finally, let's return to Europe, where Ireland is actively seeking entrepreneurs to bring their businesses to its green shores. In Ireland, the government's Enterprise Ireland program is offering up to $50,000 in funding for entrepreneurs and business owners willing to set up their companies in Ireland. This program is designed to attract global talent and innovative businesses to tap into Ireland's growing economy. Ireland has become a global hub for tech companies, startups, and creative ventures. With its competitive tax rates, access to the European market, and a highly skilled workforce, Ireland is the perfect place to launch your next business idea. Combine this with Ireland's natural beauty, rich cultural history, and welcoming communities, and you have a recipe for both personal and professional success. Whether you're in the tech industry or an emerging market, Ireland offers the support, infrastructure, and financial incentives to help your business thrive. From the charming villages of Italy to the bustling entrepreneurial hubs of Chile and Ireland, there are incredible opportunities around the world for those looking for a fresh start. Whether you're seeking financial incentives, tax breaks, or entrepreneurial support, these 10 countries are ready to pay you to make the move. Which one caught your attention? Could you see yourself living in the Swiss Alps, running a startup in Chile, or enjoying island life in Greece? Let us know in the comments which country you'd move to and why. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Watch the Globe for more travel tips and hidden gems. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming.